Welcome to Shipox, a delivery management software designed to help businesses of all sizes efficiently handle their pickup, delivery, and fulfillment processes. Think of Shipox as your digital assistant for deliveries. It helps you automate tasks by tracking orders, assigning drivers, optimizing routes, and managing shipping costs, all automatically. You can connect with your customers through real-time order updates and convenient tracking options. Plus, you'll save time and reduce errors, streamlining your entire delivery operation. Shipox also integrates with popular e-commerce platforms and marketplaces, making it a versatile solution for various online businesses. Let's dive in and explore how you can get the most out of Shipox. Let's take a quick tour of the Shipox dashboard. On the left side menu, you'll find several tabs to manage every aspect of your delivery operations. Starting with the dashboard, where you can track your company's performance, including pickup and delivery success rates. The driver's dashboard helps you monitor your fleet and their deliveries in real time. Next, we have the orders dashboard, where you can create new orders, update statuses, track shipments, and manage the entire delivery process from start to finish. In map view orders, you can visualize shipments on a map, filtered by deliveries or by drivers. The Incomplete Orders tab shows error messages for orders that were pushed from another source but couldn't sync properly. Upload Orders allows bulk uploading of shipments via an Excel file. The Activity History tab logs all notifications sent for each order. Order Sorting lets you organize orders based on rules set by the user, while Order Routing generates optimal routes to save time and boost efficiency. Under Requires Attention, you'll find orders that are overdue, auto-canceled, or need immediate action. Bad Addresses lists incorrect addresses used in orders so you can quickly correct them. With Order Exceptions, you can undo mistakenly updated order statuses. The Time Slots and Availability tab helps you set pickup time slots for customers to drop off shipments. Service Types allows you to set pricing policies for deliveries, defining start and end points to maintain cost-effective fees. In Package Rules, you can customize pricing from point A to point B for your customers. The Areas tab provides a visual guide to regions covered by your courier partners, and Neighborhoods breaks down those areas further within cities. Moving on to Finance Management, Finance Orders helps you track cash on delivery statuses, while Finance Settlement is for settling funds. Driver's Liability monitors the amount owed by riders collecting COD payments. With courier companies, you can add and manage new courier partners. The Live Fleet tab shows real-time tracking of riders and their current statuses on a map. The Drivers tab lets you add drivers, assign tasks, and set up driver fee rules for commissions. You can also track their earnings in the driver wallet. In Warehouse, you can add new storage locations, and Vehicles allows for the addition of delivery vehicles. The Customers tab is where you can add new clients, set cash limits, and track their orders. Manage system access in Users, listing admins who oversee the delivery process, and use roles and permissions to control system visibility and access. The Settings tab lets you customize features based on your operational needs. Lastly, Integrations allows seamless connection with e-commerce platforms, 3PL companies, and payment gateways. Now that you're familiar with the interface, let's start setting up the account.
First, we need to create a courier company. To do this, navigate to the left side menu and click on Courier Companies. Then, click the plus sign button in the top right corner. A form will appear. Fill in all the relevant details, such as the company name, contact information, and any other required fields. Once you've entered all the necessary information, simply hit Save. And that's it. You've successfully created a courier company in the system. Now we can move on to the next step. To add a driver, navigate to the Drivers tab on the left side menu. Click on Add a new driver. A form will appear where you'll need to enter the driver's basic information, such as their name and contact details. Next, set up a login for the driver by providing their email and creating a password. Make sure to assign the driver to a courier company from the drop-down menu. Once all the details are filled in, hit Save. Let's move on to the next step. let's create a customer in the system. Start by navigating to the Customers tab on the left side menu. Click the plus sign to add a new customer. You'll need to fill in some basic information and don't forget to set up a login. This is important because customers have access to a separate portal with limited visibility. Next, choose the client type. There are 3 options: merchants who handle payments online, cash clients who deal in cash transactions, and wallet clients who can top up their balances through a payment gateway and place orders accordingly. Once you've entered all the details, simply hit Save. And that's it. Let's configure delivery prices based on specific conditions. First, add a service type, like express delivery or same-day delivery, depending on your business needs. Next, go to the Package Rules section. Click on the plus button to create a new package rule. Start by giving your rule a name and add a brief description to explain its purpose. Then select a courier company that this rule should apply to. If left blank, customers will see all your available courier companies and can select the package manually. Choose the relevant service type from the drop-down menu. For price types, you have 2 options, linear or bucket. Linear pricing allows for flexible rates where additional costs can be set per kg or per km. Bucket pricing requires fixed rates. For this demonstration, we'll select linear pricing. Next, select the client type, either cash, merchants, or wallet. If you leave this blank, the rule will apply to all client types. Click on Add Prices to proceed. Here's a breakdown of the fields you'll need to fill in. Base price. This is your base service fare. kg included specifies the amount of weight covered in the base fare. km included specifies the distance included in the base fare. Price per weight. Set the additional charge per kg for orders that exceed the included weight. Weight. This is the chargeable unit. Setting it to 1 means each additional 1 kilograms will be charged at the rate specified. Price per km. Set the rate for each additional kilometer beyond the included distance. Base RTO price. This is the base charge for any returned orders. Base RTO per kg specifies the additional cost per kg for returns. Now let's set up conditions to refine this package rule. Click the arrow next to Rules. If you want to add multiple condition types, click on Add Rules Groups. Otherwise, you can simply toggle on the existing option and click Add Condition. For this example, we'll set the condition using city from and city to. Select your desired cities from the drop-down. Once everything is set up, go ahead and hit Save to apply this package rule. Let's try pushing an order. There are multiple ways to do this in Shipox. You can create orders from the admin's portal, the customer's portal, the customer's mobile app, via bulk upload using an Excel file, through APIs, or even by using an integration. For this guide, let's proceed with the customer's portal to see how it works. Start by logging into the customer's portal using the same credentials we set up earlier in this guide. From the main screen, click on Create a New Order. Enter the basic information for both the sender and the recipient, making sure you're following the conditions set in the package rules. Next, edit the dimensions of your order and select the last 2 checkboxes as needed. You'll notice 2 pricing options displayed. One of them shows as 0 because it's using a default package rule already in the system. The other one is the custom rule we just created. Let's go ahead and select that one. If needed, you can customize the order further. Once everything looks good, click on Place Order. After placing the order, let's print an AWB Airway bill to see how it looks. We can also print the AWBZ sticker for labeling. Now, let's check the order's dashboard on the customer's portal to see how this new order reflects there. All the basic information is displayed right on the dashboard. For more details, click on the order ID. Here you can view the tracking number, the customer's information, sender details, current status, recipient's details, payment information, item details, and even options to print the AWBs. Next, let's see how this order appears on the admin portal. Most of the information is the same, but you'll also have access to additional tabs showing detailed information, options to assign a rider, or edit the order if needed. Lastly, under the Signatures tab, you can view the proof of pickup or delivery uploaded by the riders. And that's how you successfully push an order using the customer's portal. A quick way to manage multiple shipments at once. First, navigate to the Upload Orders tab on the customer's portal. A pop-up will appear where you can download the template. This template will guide you on the mandatory fields required for each order. Go ahead and fill out the mandatory fields in the Excel file. Some of these fields are already pre-filled for reference. Be sure to review each one, making sure that the cities for both the sender and recipient fall under the parameters set in your package rules. Once you've filled out the details, save the file. Return to the Upload Orders tab on the customer's portal and upload your file. After uploading, the system will validate the orders. If everything is correct, the orders will show up as valid in green. Now hit Publish. An order ID will be generated for each order, and you can view all the details accordingly. Let's switch over to the admin portal to see how these bulk uploaded orders appear. You'll notice the Excel import label, which indicates how the orders were pushed into the system. Admins can also track the batches uploaded by their customers. This ensures that you have full visibility over all bulk uploads. Let's see how you can create an order using the Shipox customer mobile app. Start by downloading the Shipox customer app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app and log in using the customer credentials we set up earlier. Upon logging in, you'll land on the dashboard where you can see a list of all orders created from this account. Create a new order, tap on Create New at the top right corner. Enter the order details as required, ensuring that you're selecting the parameters according to the package rules we've set up. After that, enter the item value and a brief description if necessary. Next, choose the weight of the parcel. You'll also have options to select payment types and other available preferences. Once everything is filled out, hit Proceed to push the order into the system. As you can see, the order has been successfully created. You can click on any order to view detailed information, such as the sender and recipient's details, payment information, and tracking history. For added convenience, you can also track your orders by simply scanning their barcodes. Lastly, under the Settings tab, you have the option to update your profile and adjust your preferences as needed. Let's check if it reflects on the customer's portal now. As you can see, it is already here and unassigned. Great progress so far. And that's how you create and manage orders using the Shipox customer mobile app. Let's walk you through the complete life cycle of an order using our Shipox portal and see how it looks on the Riders app. First, we'll start from the admin portal. Select an order by checking the box next to it, then navigate to Batch Orders Update. As you can see, we have all the available statuses to choose from. For now, let's update the status to Driver Assigned and select a driver from the list. The status is now updated to Driver Assigned. Let's switch over to the Riders app to see how this looks from a driver's perspective. Log in using the driver's credentials. The app will prompt you to check in using your location. Simply swipe the bar to the right to complete the check-in. On the main dashboard, you'll see a list of orders assigned to you or those that are currently in progress. At the top right, you have the option to change your duty status. Let's navigate to the side menu. Here, you have several options. Completed orders. This shows all the deliveries you've completed. Batch update. This allows you to update multiple order statuses in bulk, either by scanning or manually. Transfer orders. This feature lets you hand over your deliveries to another driver if needed. Profile. Here you can update your password and personal details. Monitoring. This section displays the collected amounts and your financial liabilities. Now, let's go back and check the details of an assigned order. From the top right corner, a rider can navigate to the delivery location, call the recipient, or even chat via WhatsApp if needed. You'll see all the critical details like sender and recipient info, parcel details, and payment information. Let's start the pickup process. If, for some reason, the pickup fails, the rider can mark it as failed and select an appropriate reason from the list. For now, let's complete the pickup. Once the rider reaches the pickup location, they'll be prompted to collect proof of pickup through a photo or signature. By default, the app will show a screen instructing the rider to bring the item to the warehouse. However, this can be adjusted in the system settings. You can enable auto dispatch so that the rider can start the delivery immediately after picking up the parcel. At this point, an admin needs to mark the order as dispatched from the portal, allowing the rider to proceed with the delivery. Now, as you can see on the Riders app, the order is ready for delivery. The same details are visible here: sender and recipient info, parcel details, and payment information. Let's proceed to complete the delivery by following the on-screen instructions. Once done, the delivery is marked as completed. Finally, the admin can verify the status by refreshing the dashboard and checking the order history on the portal. And that's the complete order lifecycle, from creation to successful delivery, using the Shipox system.